Space is big. You just won't believe how vastly, hugely, mind-bogglingly big it is. I mean, you may think it's a long way down the road to the chemists. But that's just peanuts to space. This is the famous quote of Douglas Adams about space. So let's talk about some very few objects that are present in our space. Have you ever heard of a name nebula? What is nebula? A nebula is an enormous cloud of dust and gas occupying the space between stars and acting as a nursery for new star. Nebulae are made up of dust and basic elements such as hydrogen and other ionized gases. Some nebulae are bright enough to be seen with naked eye. The Orion Nebula is one of these. It is located between stars in constellation Orion's Sword. Many other are visible through telescope. Depending on how many stars are around them, to illuminate the dust clouds that form the nebulae. It is often hard to differentiate between star clusters, galaxies, and nebulae due to their similar makeup. Now here's one more interesting space object. What object in the galaxy is like a star but isn't a star? The answer is quasars. Quasars are the brightest objects in the universe. They produce huge amounts of energy. Some of them produce up to 100 times more energy than our entire Milky Way galaxy. A quasar is always found near a supermassive black hole. Every galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. You can probably tell from the name that a supermassive black hole is huge. It has enough matter in it that its mass is more than 1 million suns. So, black holes have lots of stuff in them. And this stuff is tightly packed together, which means it's very dense. A quasar at the center of a supermassive black hole. When gases flow into a supermassive black hole, the gas becomes very, very hot. This makes it glow. Scientists believe that it is this glowing gas at the edge of the black hole that gives energy and light to a quasar. Despite all the information, scientists are still finding answers about quasar. You know about stars, but do you know a star which is named as Sirius? The brightest star in the night sky is Sirius and one of the closest to us. Like so many stars in the night sky, Sirius may look like a single star, but it's actually part of a binary star system, also known as the dog star. and about 25 times the luminosity of our sun. Stay tuned for more informative content. Thanks for watching.